In this short video, I'm going to demonstrate how to install Portworx Enterprise on an OKE cluster. For my Oracle Web UI, you can see my 3-node OKE cluster. Currently, none of the worker nodes have any block storage attached. Over to my laptop, and you can see my OKE cluster is in the London region spread over 3 availability domains. Let's start by creating a namespace called Portworx and a secret. Switch into central.portworx.com, select Portworx Enterprise and select Platform Oracle. Update the Kubernetes version and any other values required. Save the specification and copy and paste the operator deployment control command into a terminal window. And repeat for the storage cluster. Wait a few minutes for the Portworx Kubernetes pod to start before checking the status with pxctl status. pxctl cluster provision status will show the Portworx storage pool details, and pxctl cloud drive list the OCI block volumes. Returning to the OCI Web UI, we can see the compute nodes and the Portworx provision OCI block volumes. Thanks for watching.